Well, shit. I was trying to print this PDF file and I pressed page 1357 and I made it 71% and both sides on one page. Look what happened. I should have, well, now it's 1357 for real, which sucks. So, I guess I am going to, hey, look, it's nachos. Well, I just fucked up. So, I guess it's time to start over. Oh shit. Oh, here it comes. Damn. The HKDSE exam venue locations are revealed. They're revealed. The battlefields are revealed. And it's different for everyone because, even though, not like the government is going to assign me to somewhere on the other side of the city, is nearby district, but the government tried their best to mix all of us up so that we will not encounter people we know. So it's all strangers, all the invigilators, all the other candidates, exam candidates, they're all strangers. So it's different for everyone. I just downloaded this app, this HKDSE app, where if I put down my personal details and my candidate number, it's going to show me all the venues. And here we go. Here we have it. Meanwhile, though, since tomorrow morning I need to do the Chinese, I'm going to bring out the big book, and revise some fucking Chinese. Also, it's extremely cool that I just printed 3 bits of past paper. Maths paper 2 2013, Physics paper 1 2012, section A, aka the MCs, 2013 DSE chemistry paper 1, section B, the long questions. And that's enough for now. Until 3 days later, I'm going to print a bunch of other stuff again. Alright, before those papers, I'm going to do some of chemistry first. Again, I finished section 1 and 2. Apparently, I'm pretty good at section 2, aka microscopic world part 1, aka, the atoms stuff. I'm pretty good at that. But now it's section 3, and I already did 4 questions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Magnesium chloride solution gives a white precipitate, but with lead to nitrate. Magnesium nitrate is soluble. But lead chloride, I don't think it's soluble, and I don't think. Okay, see, fuck, I don't know anything again. Lead chloride, I think yes, I'm not sure. Magnesium is higher than lead in the metal reactivity series. Yes, this is true. Sorry, I'm putting down C, because the first statement may be wrong. Maybe there should be precipitate, but not white, because lead chloride, I'm not sure. But this is true, so I'm gonna say C. Fuck. 2:30 now. And after doing a lot of chemistry and physics today, I realized that I'm still unclear on so many concepts. Like, as I am doing the chemistry paper, I'm starting to realize that, hey, I forgot to revise that. Hey, I forgot about that as well. I didn't revise closely enough. I just don't know why. Like, I'm really pissed at myself. I really feel unwhole right now. Like, I'm full of holes right now. Like, I'm it's I'm itching all over and I can't reach it. I'm at a stage where I see knowledge in front of me, but I can't reach it. I physically can't reach it. It's like there's some sort of resistance that's keeping me from achieving such knowledge. And that fucking sucks. This doesn't happen for biology. I guess it's because biology is interesting enough to, I guess, make me, you know, be, on the, freaking, biology is a subject interesting enough for me to be able to catch onto every single thing being taught to me so that I will not be as confused as me when I'm doing chemistry or physics. I just woke up 10 minutes ago. March 6th. Sleepy as fuck. And I have to race against the clock right now. It's Chinese exam time. Alright, I just printed every single thing out. And, yeah. Damn. Apparently, it's supposed to be 8:30 to 10. It's already 10:14 now. I am really on time for this one. So, it's 3 p.m. and I finished the Chinese reading exam. It's not that bad, but I wasn't in the mood. I didn't have the energy, so I did it very slowly. I should really do it more fast next time. Anyways, right now you're gonna see me complete this chemistry paper 2013 right now, and you're gonna see how much of a loser I am, because even though I don't know, I haven't seen the last few questions of this paper, I know that I will not understand any of them, so that's cool. All right, so we have question 10, the diagram. Yep, I circled this because it says oxygen tank, so oxidizing. But this is a hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell, and I don't know jack about it. Like, I remember being taught about it, but I completely forgot about it. This is supposed to be easy if you've revised. You don't need to think for this. Shit. Electrode D is this one. Hydrogen goes in and water comes out. So I guess this one is hydrogen plus this one equals to water because water comes out. I really am not sure, but we gotta balance this. So 1 2 3 4 1 2, like this, I guess. I'm just guessing. I have no idea. For electrode E, oxygen goes in, more oxygen goes out. I think it kind of reacts with the H and form this, or maybe not. Well, anyways, I know oxygen is one of the reactants, and I'm gonna say hydrogen, sort of. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't think this is right, though. I don't think this is right. But, you know. Oh, wait. We're gonna have to put 2 electrons here to balance the charges, but then we don't need to do for this one. See, I have no idea what's going on. Some people have the view that cars powered by this are more environmentally friendly than petrol. Comment on this in the following aspects: source of fuel. Yes. So I guess petrol comes from the burning of fossil fuels, which emits a lot of carbon dioxide, but water and oxygen do not. The car emissions, again, for fuel, the emissions are carbon monoxide and dioxide. For petrol, I'm talking about. But for the other one, the hydrogen oxygen fuel, water vapor, and O2, so it's more environmentally friendly, I guess. Alright, this is where it starts to get interesting. So, safety airbags are important devices installed in vehicles. During a serious car crash, the chemicals in the airbag immediately react to release a large amount of gas. Blah 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 blah. Sodium azide, sodium trinitride, and potassium nitrate. Blah blah blah. So we already have the equation. Explain why the NaN3 and the KNO used in airbags are in the form of fine powder. To not make it react, so to prevent NaN3 breaks down and then Na replaces, which is what makes, not really, they have a reaction. So I guess to prevent reaction, I guess. Okay, calculation. Alright. An airbag containing 100 grams of NaN3 and 200 grams of KNO3. Calculate the theoretical volume measured at room temperature and pressure of the gas produced in the bag is inflated. Okay. So first of all, 100 grams of NaN3 should give off... Okay, so number of moles of NaN3. Na is, oh, we already have the entire NaN3. 65. So number of moles, okay, so because of mole ratio, you know, blah, 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 the number of moles of sodium reacted is 1.54 mole. And then we have this, so number of moles of KNO3, 100 divided by 101.1, And then hmm, um that's okay. So I guess the limiting agent is the sodium 1.54 and the gas produced, and the gas produced is N2. So I guess 1.54 divided by 10. Okay. Because of mole ratio, number of moles of N2 produced, this thing equals to 0.145 mole. So the volume of N2 produced is this times 24, just 3.6396 dm cube, or just 3.70 actually. I just realized one really dumb thing is that I completely neglected the first equation, and that for NaN2, NaN3, we also have this. So now we need to do 1.54 mole divided by 2 times 3, and then times 24. Also this. So 1.54 divided by 2 times 3 times 24 equals to 55.4 dm cube. So they both add together. You know, in real life, I'm not going to write it in such way. It's going to be way more organized. In real life, it's going to be 59.1 dm cube. Okay, check this one out. At 250 degrees, the equilibrium constant Kc for the following reaction is 25 mole dm cube per mole. PCl3 plus Cl2 and P2 PCl5. A 10 dm cube sealed container, which is contained at 250 degrees, initially contains 0.5 mole of PCl3, 0.2 mole of Cl2, and 0.4 mole of PCl5. For this system under the initial conditions, calculate as reaction quotient. Predict and explain under the reason for reaction rate would be greater. Alright, I know how to do this one. This is the first one in many questions that I know how to do. I think, I guess. QC is, now all the reactants are down there, so 0.5, 0.2, so 0.5, 10 times 0.2 over 10 to 0.4 over 10 equals to, shit, 40 dm cube per mole. Oh, this is tiring, by the way. 40 mole this. So because QC is bigger than KC, so the reaction position is going to shift to left. Therefore, the forward reaction rate is lower than backward reaction rate. There we go. That's 2 marks. Calculate the concentration of Cl2 in the system attains equilibrium and 250 degrees. Okay, I gotta plot the table again. this is a small table. Shoot. ICE. PCl3, Cl2, PCl5. And dang. This is good. I don't know what's their initial value. So this is problematic. Oh, I know their initial value. I see them now. It's up there. I'm stupid. 0. Crap. 0.00, 0.04, 0.05, 0.02. That's correct. Now, minus x minus x plus x. This is weird, because PaCl5 should be at 0 at first. So I stuck to my instincts and I finished up a quadratic formula to find out the thing, and I hope I'm right. -25 2.75 0.015. I hope it's not math error. Oh, it's not. 0.115. Alright, so x equals to 0.115 or negative. I would like to believe in the positive one, but it could be either. I don't know. I really don't know. I should probably save this though. Sheet. I should probably save this. And I should probably save the other one. Yes. So I guess the answer is either this or this. I think it's the first one then. 0.025 mole per dm cube. This is ridiculous. Is this true? Alright, last question, because I pretty much skipped this one, because I have no idea how to do this, because I didn't revise SOAP enough. Alright. It's just a chemical test to distinguish between X and Y. X being, what the hell is this? CO, oh, that is a ketone. Y is an alcohol. So how do you distinguish between a ketone and an alcohol? I know how to, but it's not in the syllabus. No. Oh, I have an idea. You can reduce ketone. You can't reduce alcohol. So I'd say add NaBH4, right? Or LiAlH4, right? Which are reducing agents, right? Well, here you go, NaBH4. Is it NaBH4 or just NaBH? Or just NaB4? I forgot. No way it's NaB4. I don't know. Only X. Oh! I can't use this because I can observe Jack. I need to use an actual reducing agent. Like something that can be oxidized. Maybe, maybe an iron to iron. So like iron to iron. So the biology SBA scores are announced. Like, okay, so SBA stands for school-based assessment. Basically, the experiments that you do at school in the laboratory, the reports that you write, the diagrams, the drawings that you did, they all account for 20 fucking percent for the entire DSE mark. 20. I got a 73 out of 100 for biology. And at first I thought, okay, 73, that's not bad. I mean, compared to other biology exercises and exams and tests and quizzes I did, it's not terrible. But when I looked at others, Leo revealed. So when I was speaking to Leo said, oh, hey, did you know that biology SBA scores are revealed? And I was like, oh, really? So I checked, I got 73, and I said to Leo, okay, I think I did okay, but I know that you're going to be higher than me, right? And of course, Leo's higher than me. 90 fucking 6. And then Kingsley got a fucking 98. Okay, you know what? That's fine, because he's fucking inhuman. I don't even want to know Olivia. 101 out of 100, I don't care. And then Pink got 86. Good for her. I guess it's because her drawings are fucking fantastic, except now Dean and Grant also has 80-something, which leaves me in the bottom 25% of my class, maybe, I don't know. Highly possibly. 73, not even over 75, 73. Like, what the fuck was I doing? What the hell happened to me? Why do I still suck? How do I achieve this level? And this level isn't really that fucking hard to achieve, but still, motherfucker. I'm angry. This morning, when I woke up and I realized that I had to do the Chinese fucking exam, I'm angry. And then I had to eat the breakfast, and the breakfast wasn't ready yet, so I finished like 2 parts of the exam, and I'm angry. And then now I saw the biology SB score, and I'm even angrier. Like, and yesterday when I was trying to do the chemistry past paper 2013 DSE, I couldn't do. Like, I didn't understand many questions, and I'm really fucking angry. Like, every single moment of my life recently, okay, just points towards my face saying, oh hey, this guy sucks. And now we only have 22 fucking days left until the DSEs. Like, what the hell are you trying to make me say? And then, of course, the Chinese SBA scores are also revealed, and I got a 68 out of 100, which I thought wasn't really that bad at first, but then Leo got 73, and he's not good at Chinese, so, I and him were similar. That's okay, but still, I'm lower. It's like I'm just gradually walking to hell, and no matter what I do, no matter what the fuck I do, I will never be able to save myself. It's over. I'm not in control of my body anymore. I'm just sliding my way down to hell right now. Okay, I'm walking to my gravestone right now. Like okay, fine, SBA 20%. Jesus, all right. Fine, you know what? In the DSEs, I'm gonna work real hard, real fucking hard. 22 days, and I still don't understand a bunch of questions in chemistry. Like, what the hell am I supposed to do with my life right now? It's like I can't catch a break. There's not a single thing that I'm happy about, that I'm proud of, that I'm confident about in like the last 5 years of my life. 6, I don't know. And especially recently, everything is just a punch to the face. Like, you suck. Boom. You suck. Boom. You suck. Everyone's better than me. Even that introvert little nerd guy Idris is better than me and getting more girlfriends than me, infinitely more because I have 0. It's like fuck. Like, you do not want to be like me, okay? Okay, I calmed down, but I'm still super angry. But I'm suppressing it, okay? I'm using it as a motivation for me to work even harder. And I'm gonna finish watching JoJo tonight, season 3. And after that, I will not watch any more movies or TV shows. And then a few days later, I will stop using my computer and stop filming reviews. I'll just stop. Well, actually, once in a while, I'll upload something pre-recorded because I just have too much videos, too many. Um, but I will not film reviews or anything. And so then I will probably revise 12 hours a day. And I will really, really push myself. But now I'm already really pushing myself hard, like 5 hours a day ish. But of course, that's not enough. Also, my revision tactic needs to improve. So, A, more time to revise. B, revision tactic. Because I'll always make new mistakes. Because the government never, they never, ask us the same question again. So I'll always make new mistakes no matter how much I try to do past papers. But why the past papers are important is A, we can check how familiar we are with the syllabus. B, the format of the questions. So I want to have a new tactic. I still haven't figured it out yet. Maybe I already did the mind map thing, but it didn't really work out all that well. I want to know everything and how to gain all the knowledge there is. How? And if I just flip through my textbooks, maybe I'll miss a few things. I have a lot of notes and stuff, but there are simply too much. I can go through all of them if I want, but again, there are simply too much. But I guess that's the only way. And I will, I guess, further expand my mind map and write on my notebook, and hopefully I will gain all the knowledge there is. That's the only way that I'm gonna survive. Anyways, I'm gonna redeem myself a little bit with something that I'm a little good at, that is maths. Paper 2. I just checked my Chinese writing mock exam score. I got a 38 out of 100. And it wasn't a huge surprise before, checking it. I already know that I'm gonna fail this. And I have failed this quite literally. And because I played risky this time and I followed my heart, which is a terrible idea in a Chinese writing. But in that morning when I did the writing exam, I was like really tired, really exhausted, running out of ideas, and I just followed my heart and looked what happened. And I'm too risky, too experimental, very hollow. The writing doesn't feel wholesome. Basically, I have to write about how I know this person, but then at the same time, I don't. And all I could think about is like the people at school, like Mary and Jordana and Natalie and stuff. So I wrote about a girl who's like in a culmination of all of them, and it really sucked because it was like, oh, while we were on the street strolling, we suddenly met this weird guy, and this weird guy suddenly freaked out in front of the girl. Like, oh my gosh, the girl must have some magical powers, but we sort of don't know what it is. And it's really vague, so I guess that's why I'm sad. I'm not angry now, I'm just sad. Which is just as bad as being angry, I guess. And I got a 38. Everyone else probably passed. Grant got a 48, which is not that great either, to be honest. All three of the questions that were given are very, very tough questions. And yeah, but Natalie's really fucking confident, which I'm not happy about. I wish that Natalie's self-esteem would be as low as mine. Uh, I know that's a mean comment, but like my self-esteem is probably the lowest among the entire school. I know that's a bold statement, but it could be true. I mean, Cedric's not studying here, so now I can say that, right? And yeah, I low key, I actually high key want to redo the Chinese writing exam, but I know that nobody will correct it, so I don't know how. So I'm not gonna do that, I guess. Instead, I'm gonna read very good examples of DSE Chinese writing exams. I will collect all the good points, good stories, good sentence structures, and follow a very strict formula during the exam. My biggest weakness is that I spend the first 2 minutes of the exam trying to figure out if I should do the argumentative essay or the feelings, the touchy-feely composition, and 120 seconds is a lot. So I guess there's that. You know, tomorrow I want to leave this house because this apartment because I've been stuck here for 2 days already. And I want to just, I'm really, really stressed right now. Even though it doesn't seem like I am, I'm composing and arranging my sentences really properly right now. It's ridiculous. Like I'm supposed to be crying and punching walls right now, but I'm not doing it, because it's already 2:30 a.m. I'm tired. I'm gonna hold it in. Okay, I'm gonna hold it in. But tomorrow I'm gonna leave this apartment and I'm not gonna hold it in anymore, okay? I don't know what am I gonna do. I don't know what am I about to do, but I'm just gonna do something crazy. I want to do something crazy just to, get some fresh air and I guess give myself a very negative jog of motivation so that I could continue working hard and revising and I guess come up. I also ask Leo what is a better tactic to revise because again the whole past paper thing I always have new mistakes to make and I guess he said I should um, do some statistics on my ability on different knowledge and I should really focus hard on the bits that I'm unfamiliar with and there are a lot of bits that I'm unfamiliar with. So I'm going to spend extra time. So from tomorrow, I'm gonna spend 7 hours a day revising, and after March 10th, I will stop YouTube and I will do 12 hours a day revising if possible. Um, 9 to 10 hours of sleep, 2 hours of eating, 2 to 3 hours of eating and other stuff, and 12 hours of revising. 12 might be a little too harsh. 10 extra 2 for rest, maybe, for emotional um, releasing, I guess. Stress releasing. And by that, I mean running down to the park, scream curse words, scream at strangers, maybe get arrested by the cops. Nah, just kidding. Or maybe write my diary, because, Mary, I need to show her my diary. Okay, right now it is 3:10 p.m. A little bit over 3:10 p.m. Damn, my hair is fucked up. And it's March 7th, I think. 2 days, and then I'm gonna return to school for one last time in my life. Anyways, from today on, I'm going to try to do revision for 7 hours a day. And I just spent 1 hour just doing physics. And I don't know if it's pure luck or that I've improved like I would, but I got 23 out of 36 for physics 2012. Now, maybe it's because 2012 is easier than 2013. I don't know, but maybe I was just lucky. Maybe it's because I had extra time, but I improved somehow. So I guess that should be a good thing. But again, I could find 10 million excuses as to why I improved because, I didn't actually improve. Either way, I'm gonna just do some Chinese right now, take a break, and yay. Okay, so this is hilarious. It's been 4 to 5 days since I have touched my school bag, and these are the things that I found in my school bag. First of all, a whole bag of coins, tied with a very old and dirty rubber band. Painkillers, 3 of them to be exact, that I've been keeping for like a few months now, and I think it's already expired. And pistachio nut shells, cause why the frick not? Cause in one of the classes, some students, actually almost all, were eating pistachio, and I collected these nut shells, cause why not? Coupons, but torn apart because they're useless. More coupons. More coupons. Oh my goodness, this is a piece of candy that I haven't eaten. I think one of the teachers gave this to us. I think the English teacher. I'm not really interested in eating this. A plastic spoon and a toothpick. More coupons. A pack of chili sauce. Oh my gosh. Okay, now this is where it gets even more interesting. Shoot. I have a red ribbon here for the Red Cross. A broken lock and broken pieces of magnet. More toothpick, but this one is empty. I should put it here for the lols. This one is also empty as well. Plastic glove that I got from KFC, and I've been keeping for no good reason. Oh, I know why I've been keeping it. Let me show you something. This plastic glove is the most amazing plastic glove in the world because it only fits 3 fingers. It only fits 3 fingers. It's perfect. And it's not because it's torn, it's this way. One Hong Kong dollar coin. Nice. Keys. White ribbon for the protest. Piece of plastic. And that's pretty much it.